Hello, dear viewer. Welcome to a space where the world slows down and stories unfold gently. Between towering cliffs and sweeping coastal views lies one of the most picturesque cricket grounds in the world, the Valley of Rocks cricket ground. This unique pitch is set against a dramatic backdrop of rugged rock formations and the vast expanse of the Bristol Channel, making it a truly surreal place to watch or play a game of cricket. North Devon coastline, just a stone's throw from the charming town of Linton, lies one of England's most breathtaking natural wonders, the Valley of Rocks. With its dramatic rock formations, wild roaming goats and sweeping views of the Bristol Channel, this unique valley feels like a land frozen in time. Formed during the Ice Age and shaped by millions of years of geological activity, the Valley of Rocks is not just a feast for the eyes, but a place steeped in history, myth, and literary inspiration. Poets like Samuel Taylor Coleridge and William Wordsworth once walked these very paths, drawing from its raw beauty to pen some of their most evocative works. In this video, we'll wander through winding coastal paths perched high above the sea, marvel at the towering granite outcrops like Castle Rock and Ragged Jack, and listen to the whispers of ancient legends, including tales of giants and druids. You'll also get a glimpse of the local wildlife, with wild goats often spotted leaping gracefully across the cliffs. Whether you're a lover of landscapes, a hiker in search of epic views, or someone who simply enjoys the stillness of nature, the Valley of Rocks offers an unforgettable escape into a world where the ancient meets the eternal. So grab your walking boots.
The Valley of Rocks is a stunning dry valley that runs parallel to the sea, located just west of the village of Linton in Exmoor National Park, North Devon. Despite its close proximity to the Bristol Channel, it remains dry due to geological formations that diverted the river long ago. What makes this place special is its dramatic landscape: towering rocky outcrops, steep cliffs, and bizarrely shaped formations that resemble castle ruins or ancient sculptures. Some of the most iconic rocks include Castle Rock, Devil's Cheese Ring, and Mother Meldrum's Cave. These formations were shaped by erosion over millions of years, mainly during the last Ice Age. Historical and cultural significance. The valley has long inspired writers and poets. Samuel Taylor Coleridge and William Wordsworth walked here, and R.D. Blackmore used it as a setting in his famous novel Lorna Doone. Local folklore tells of giants, witches, and spirits said to inhabit the area, adding to its mystical atmosphere. Unique features and wildlife. Though barren looking at first glance, the valley is rich in wildlife. You may spot feral goats climbing the rocks, as well as ravens, peregrine falcons, and Exmoor ponies. The contrast of rugged stone, green foliage, and ocean backdrop makes it a photographer's dream. If you're visiting, you can walk the southwest coast path that runs through the valley, offering breathtaking views of the cliffs and sea.
No, I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams into modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could